Yo, what up? Here we go. We're doing some work on a truck. It's a 1967 Chevy C10. Took out the inline 6 and the 3 on the tree transmission. Stole a 350 out of a Caprice, 1977 Caprice. Upgraded it to power steering. Put in a power steering box, cut holes for the hoses to come out of. Had to cut the little brackets down here, grind a piece off to make it fit because this is longer. So yeah, we got this. We got some custom motor mounts. We got this wicked transmission put in, 5-speed. Tremec TR3551 TKX. It's a nice little beast. And then we got an intake manifold to go on. New distributor to go on. Edelbrock carburetor. Took out the seats. We're gonna sell those and put in bucket seats. And we got the 5 on the floor now. Gear shift drilled in, put in. We got some custom gauges to install. Got a bit of work to do on this truck, and it's gonna be a tire burner. Oh fuck yeah, it is.